This, my dear friends, is what we call an infestation of doveweed. So, in this video, we're going to try and kill this nasty weed which spreads like crazy. Now, we are going to use an herbicide or a herbicide called Celsius. Do note, Celsius works on most warm season grasses like, say, centipede, St. Augustine, or um, Bermuda, but it is not recommended for Bahia. Celsius will not kill Bahia. It is going to dent it severely, even though Celsius is not labeled to be used on Bahia. In my case, over here, I have a mix of St. Augustine, centipede, and some Bahia with a lot of this dove weed. I am going to spot spray, even though this is an infestation, I'm going to spot spray this area with Celsius. The rate I'm going to use is high rate of Celsius. So 3 to 3.2 grams in 1 gallon of water to treat 1000 square feet. I am also going to use the marking dye from laser, and in case the temperatures are above 85 degrees Fahrenheit, then it is recommended you also use a non-ionic surfactant. I am doing this early in the morning, so I'm not going to use a non-ionic surfactant. But again, if temperatures are above 85, make sure you do use a non-ionic surfactant in your mix. Another thing, you are going to need 2 applications of Celsius 2 weeks. So that is what we are going to do. And this is how this doveweed infestation looks like right now. And out there where you see that blue, that is where we have a crabgrass infestation. And again, I have sprayed Celsius on that area as well. But this area here is purely a doveweed infestation with, I think, some crabgrass mixed in and some basket grass. Not sure how to kill basket grass. They say you need to use glyphosate, but this video is aimed at killing doveweed. So here it is. We have sprayed this doveweed with Celsius herbicide at a high rate, and we'll check back in after 2 days to see how this infestation of doveweed is reacting or responding to our spray of Celsius. So this is our 1 week checkup after spraying Celsius on doveweed, and as you can see, doveweed doesn't look happy. You can see places where it is, browning out and looks like it's not breathing good anymore, is what I would call it. However, remember, we are going to do 2 applications of Celsius on doveweed, and here it is. This is my grass over here. And as you can see, the grass seems to be happy, but doveweed is not a happy camper. Here's another good example where we had sprayed Celsius at a high rate, and as you can see, this here is St. Augustine, which seems to be happy, but the doveweed around it is clearly not happy, and which I think is good news. So it has been 2 weeks since we have sprayed the doveweed with Celsius at a high rate. And as you can see, the doveweed is not happy. I did, of course, mow my lawn after that, but here it is. You can see that the doveweed is not happy at all. It's browning and on its way out. Today, 2 weeks later, we are going to do a second application of Celsius at a high rate on this infestation of doveweed. And let me see if I can find a patch of grass. Here it is. This, I think, is a runner of St. Augustine right here. And mixed in over here is doveweed. So doveweed is dying, and your St. Augustine, and this, I think, is a runner of centipede. Those are not affected. So here it is. Whatever was left of the doveweed, we have sprayed it again 2 weeks after our first spray, and again we're still using a high rate of Celsius, but this time we are not, kind of blanket spraying. Whatever is left of doveweed, we are hitting it again with Celsius at a high rate, and we can check back in after 2 weeks to see how successful we were in killing doveweed in our Centipede and St. Augustine lawn. And here it is, folks. You would remember that tree root over there, and this is the area where we had our infestation of doveweed and some crabgrass. And as you can see, we no longer have that infestation. Of course, we don't have grass either, but the grass, which was the little bit of grass which was there, which is our centipede, is still here, and that was not hurt when we applied, 2 doses of Celsius at a high rate 2 weeks apart to kill this infestation of doveweed. So there you have it. Celsius at a high rate, 2 applications, 2 weeks apart, kills doveweed like a boss.